Shame. I'll carry and block today. Where is that finger that you suck? That finger that you suck, where is it? I don't feel the example. You take this. Hello, this is Kobolistic Kobo. Sorry, that time battery low, and you know the way Camera Network connected well. So I'll be very grateful for una views, and I'll be so happy for all una comments them. It's a lot of things that they will really need for them, and I tell myself I'll make some adjustments for myself. They say when you receive critics, it's better than receiving insults. I understand very well. Say una like una like me, and una really want my best. So una don't really tell me a lot of things. I don't read the comment section, and I reply to a couple of people. So we'll go to the main topic today. This topic was not the main topic. We don't do that video. I will not send the video for YouTube. I will not decide to make una go look for YouTube now. So you know, say today some girl die for some place. I sent that to for us that morning time where they say that boy beats that girl to death, and then they be doing a car will stay a fashion find and pay. So I looked that video. That video said what me the whole today. Jadine, name of them.
Come help auntie.
Don't smash this thing.
Leave that picking.
Not help auntie.
Please, camera for mommy.
Hold the camera like that. See what I sit on the chair. Don't be so promote laugh and then
We're going to take your mommy a
1,
video.
2, 5, 6, 7, 2, 1.
Auntie needs to close the door.
Yogesh. Yes, I'm wearing a class. Hold it like that, yeah, honey. Put it up. Don't shake it. Auntie is coming. She'll come and collect it from you. 1.
Just keep it like that, okay? Just stay like this for 1 minute.
So now I see that video today. I'd be so worried. My kingdom because still like the whole camera. Hey, yeah, you're so cute. That's a laugh of that. Finally, work on digital influence and marketing production. English. So that way I be see that video today. I see how Bella Power supposed to say, now wait till they go on for here. What's that kind of problem? Come on, the girl they 7 months pregnant, and then they say the girl, if it's told the boy can't stay, a fashion find and pay, and then the boy beats this girl. They said so the boy don't beat this girl sis, and then now they don't beat this girl when they get your belly, they get bleed, they get die. Hey, DJ, where's your remote? Please reduce that volume. Where's your remote? Reduce the volume. You can't see the remote. So now, that was bless you. Nali fan. You didn't let me fan. Artificial air is me back.
Check the remote on the bed.
Check behind the pillow.
Jade, no one reduces your volume.
You don't take that remote, don't hide that. They became there so with the time it was a mind fear injection. You don't carry that remote, go hide that.
They increase volume.
They increase volume. Why you increase the volume, T-boy? Come and check under this blanket and under the bed sheets. So, have you seen? Okay. So now I see this video for Bella Power post. I cry. I say, oh, so my fine pikin so 7 months pregnant with this boy. This boy don't hold this girl, give you belly. She don't keep it for cow stay a fashion fine and pay. Hold and the bitter. That they thank you for the thanks for coming that way that girl get for that relationship. Say, hey, God punish Satan. Then it don't beat this girl. I said for Bella Power post. Beat this girl. The girl bleed. Take towel. Wipe this girl. Wipe this girl. Wipe this girl. Arrange it back on top bed. Then go and call them on the way down. Una come on. Woman. Call the girl. They say the girl don't die. They want to go the girl don't strong. They do the local small village autopsy. They say, okay, the girl so they don't touch it for night. First thing where I remember and I say, oh, single mothers, they for suffer. Second life, you risk her for some man. Stay with him for free. He still treat you bad. Beat you until you die. Therefore, I don't want to steal the content for the post, so I will just take a share of my page in Agamono. I cry. I say, oh, where?
Reduce that volume.
You do City Boy. When I'm finished, you watch. Good French cartoon. The boy of France. That's a really relaxed hotel. The way Spider-Man to Batman clothes.
Thank you very much.
Jaden, reduce the volume. Very vex. Your what? Yes, your watch actually a mumu. No mumu. Well, wait, chill. Let me be done. So, woman they would therefore suffer. You understand? Like, you need shit down when you give some boy all. Then this boy just take you play ballet or baby foot. I don't simply say boy they don't beat their baby mama because they want to impress girlfriend. Girlfriend, oh, when you never know what else, so if you get malaria 1 plus that girl run. You never know what if she does this, you get typhoid 2 plus that girl run. But just because you want to impress that girl, you go only just put him for front of man, drive the girl. You don't drive, you go, but not be married. Last, that begin to talk you paracetamol. That way others they don't have OH. I cry because a lot of we there for the position where we don't love some man beyond family. A lot of we don't really can stay at fashion find a pay when we see a big guilty. Even family they say, they don't take you for borrow. Leave the boy now, whatever they then at the end of the day, the boy treat you bad. Then your family thought to say, but now wait till you really find out for here. I look this day and cry because I remember my own story. I remember my own stress. I remember my own distress. Sometimes we don't be for my. I be get some 2 incidents the way so my friend girl be don't be way. This boy be like summer, if they follow summer friend, then they to let it get carry belly for you. Mon pied, ton pied. The belly carriage for most, but say no, you're born. It come on now. Because that day at university, I be the most popular student. I be popular. They say I be mayor yourself for school. So I can't know some other girl now with the boy they follow him. Then a very boy can be tell me say. It like this my friend where the one we don't do below say it was serious now. You are then I say bro, why you tell me the kind of talk? You don't say that 2 university girl you don't give one belly there you because say one and the other one. You say no, that's what I tell you. You don't know so do. So it's that follow the 2 girls, one do belly, one no do belly. If you come up for your sleep for your monitor can sleep for your sleep. Then the girl do belly the stress that girl dies. So they go, I will just take this thing out. So other day, okay, keep it. So they, okay, take it out. The other day, hey, mama, me, this girl will go through hell. I come on that morning time. And the way this my friend, he don't bend there. So they let the beats. So you back, take the chest, what the back, what the family don't wash it. We don't wash you up all the thing. And I'm concerned that you, okay, born 12, don't say for university, don't say me born. Big boy just do to and fro. He go carry another one go party where no do, but go front for town. They talk go lick ice cream, ton. The boy begin moto, relax. Then the other one go call his office. I don't see now. What's the problem? You bele and marry. Just so that the way I want to book my kids, I want to born you, but just physically say get cerebral malaria. So morning time, this get tap me say, "Oh, she don't want to tell you something." He say, "You know, say the get the boy the phone and say your friend." He say, "No, I don't. I mean, no." He say, "Yes, I get the stay for you in this thing. You get it ever carry." So he want to take upon himself. Say, "More go explain about this girl." Say, "I don't believe. I love this boy." One thing I don't know about marriage and relationship, I say, no explain anything about that. You don't be fool. You come to wake up a skin push, come on, say, "Hey, we talk with the girl." We go to the house. You guys say, "Hey, I'm going to listen. Hey, now this, you know everything." You should know. Two fools. You know me, I be fair baby. Now rest of my brain, me have the body. Because me and this I be fair, I be gullible. I be. If there's a person who tells me that you know, I think those are be fools enough. For me, for come back and they give me breakfast and they fry me egg and chop. That be beginning Christmas. And if you put me in a one liver cream with that sleep with that no go. My friend should not get really do all it. Because hey, how if you help me? My friend go on the knees say, where? Struggle. This boy, my husband, my boyfriend, my family don't watch out for the thing. This boy don't give me engagement. We be engaged last time. Somebody called me say Peros. Some bands will be there for that time. Now, the boy say, where? How do man begin to really take their own and swear? And I really, as I said, this way, yes, you don't say, but then actually, boy, it's tonight. When mama, baby, who she don't you here? When I really want to be wrong, the man, them. Mommy, we really talk that talk. The guy say, the boy call. Now my friend don't do it, but let my friend believe answer and say hello. The boy say pass over the phone, the secretary. You know she don't want to see a belly. What I do secretary will laugh. He called him my other friend when no do belly that they don't make exchange phone. We laugh the boy say go there. We get still get to say yeah. I think I go some market will buy cheap tea there. But me ma tell until I see the man killing so no one no correct. If I tell if he hurts you, you do belly way you be woman and me no. Then I did lie. I don't think ever hurts you. I be sorry because I know it's in me. I still get really explode. So the blood we don't chop 3 egg no. We don't chop half volatility. We don't say get our person. I don't know what I forget that. You get the whole living for down. I'm getting my fat belly and Jimmy never low. That way they say one or answer call. I come back for up. You get no answer call. They can't hear that fat one. Come can hear, hold me, press my neck, jam me for worse. I'm gonna make the call. Honey, I'm sorry. I stand for door. I look that case so. I call let's see the talk. He ended because he leave my house. I said, Shay! That's why you talk. So we can interrogate you, mommy. That's why you talk. Why you go talk the kind of talk where you know so we can even get peaceful conversation? He said, leave my house. I said, Sam, may God will pay you. I take unplug my child about that chair what she done. And we go run and go with my friend. I tell you, say, you see the nurses who come to that egg and that it was wrong. He said, why? He said, I said, I want to go back and get the cry for that boy. The expect for that boy say, me and you come, we put it at gunpoint, we interrogate that boy to say, tell that fat guess I go less cow and chicken. Fat fool. May not go take care. I said, gosh me for force. I said, hey! Jesus. My friend Obele. Yes, I be really fool. I started to do it, I be thinking. I go come out, I go beside the kind of consolation. I really need that. You say, man, she done. Then you thought you put me for life. So you look up must do coffee. So you look up must do coffee. We come out, we go, we struggle, pick out the pass hand, pass iron, wash out, blow, what did j'avais ça, papa's hand, ma famille. Bon, là, il left the ad junior. Yeah, my friend, so fear, they get back at the crest of her. At the crest. The boy, if she died for me, the boy don't beat the gate. Beat the gate, tired. My friend today, so love to be don't carry hands. This factor say, well, maybe the boy even giving her 5,000 for the picture. So money time, oh, I don't feel another shop. One pass, we see that boy in the door. It say, oh, I don't shop so without work and go school, see my neck dry, that's a stunted. So only go attack this boy. Hey! I said, Mommy, more liver, go picking no pass, you been a pap will wash, I been a costa will wash. He said, no, you go for that girl, lock door, come, and they go back. Yeah, they get it, don't come out sexy, maybe they're chatting. I said, and then the boys, they get see the girl, when they say, no. The girl just turn the face of the manipulate for the boy can say, I feel help me. I don't say, well, Papa, I don't want to pick you. That girl over here for natural, you know, where small bando. You know, when the woman don't suffer inside body, not the woman where body is supposed to soft, like small picking yash. So this girl just get very battered. I say, well, Papa, I'm not really fine. I said, this will Bobby, they even come out again, come out. Chest. Get out! boy beat this girl. The girl told Telly say, I beg here, I need you understand. I tell you say nobody begin. Wait till the problem again. For impress that girl. Bye! I don't know say me the have no bye. I don't know say me go the have no bye. No ever find your self again for here. Stop stop this thing. You don't need to impress your person. So wait till you do so. He said when the teeth they go use the teeth they will rake. Then the girl understand. Drag the girl from upstairs to downstairs. Mommy pikin. So the girl will get come go down. Finish it dust here and they say to me na kako. Say fools. Na piece so that you make a man leave my wife. She's my wife. My friend. Let me take beat another myself and now my hold the phone so. The baby say no even know it's because and call they say mommy na so you make. Mommy na so you make. You be woman no. Say I be woman but no dog so. Say my mother pikin when I do when I go find them the mother pikin up you come like rap to that one all with one side head all teeth but what the papa. My fellow finish struggle come over to Dubai. I don't know. I want to start pushing them. You don't come you don't know my feeling, you don't know my oil, and sing that Two Faces song, right? All that lives Two Faces video on this side studio, join and all sing that. I said, no, really, I'll give you more. I start pushing them. I remember that time the biggest was store when they go fix nails or what you call it, but that's like a checkpoint. I enter Sibele. You know, someone make come face. Someone make come. I make a quick come. Must have come to alarm me. I remember they dry nails that they put in 500. I say, what I do? I look you so. I enter, I can't use the best. That was like, they say, congratulations, baby. I say, wait, you will reach. My fellow strong body, my take money, my baby for you, come on, travel, you come here, what after that, let's get a good travel. They let them say, come on, the way that boy suffer me, no, I don't trust him, I don't leave him. And once she does on the that on get the student party, then the student occasion, they will come up, go down here, go down on the doctor, that on the total the poor don't be possessed. I want empathy in the dance so deep again, still just I saw the go south, baby go don't go travel chair, go south pass. Then they get the time say, come on this thing, come on the boy, I'm waiting, they want show me the boy, and then they even look the boy. If you need dance. I want to see camp, they'll give you frutas for party and wine and the gym of frutas. You can take that frutas from my hand, you cut that from up. I don't do frutas one day you die. And then you need something, I don't need my floor. You put that for that, they say after meeting my mom. That's why I don't carry my mom and send her. I don't answer. You got to say, come on, man, tell something. Sometimes you for man life, man don't go, man don't open the eye. Man, they don't know say, okay, this is what you want. This is as that boy tells me what time to come off my eye, I don't remember that is the way that boy snack that girl go downstairs. This I talk for you, you drink to go drink over to. I'll turn and can say, see, you're a very bad boy. They say, how? I said, no, not to do that again because of the other girl. They say, as for that food, I was going to call them my other friend, as for that idiot, you don't just go beat to that people, but I start to talk something else. I said, you don't. I said, please, I'm afraid you don't give me any contact. I give me a friend, mama, call, I will send this more money. Don't take your man, I don't want to reconcile. I take my picture, I want marry fix my papa with me, and a good girl, man, they tell me, but the other one, a Chris. You start talking, you don't know, you don't know for cook, you want lazy, you want small belly, how they talk. So you start confess. Okay, I plague you. It's how you will give me that number. I need you. You will take it for struggle. But they give me that phone man, you can say, you're not going to be stunned if you go in. That time calls na 200 for that side for magic touch. I take phone, come and ask. So he say, hey, he say, Ben, come on, me level don't change now. I just was my mouth, me and the mouth daily time. I meet people, so I just leave that thing, and I don't know that man. I'm not going to talk to man. I said, don't say you. I said, what's your favorite? That thing that me go talk from Mo house. Stress, I'm afraid. So I was seeing, you know, all the two pom there. So she done some call box around 7 o'clock on the time. Go when you're back in. I say, go for the time. I say, go for the time. But they don't long so. I should say, 22 months after. I say, they die. I pass. My guy empty and credit and say yes. You want to know that I see Louis Belly here for that. I say preg tum apa. I say oh what is some put it down, what is some oh what is that thing put it down. You know answer. Exam I don't chop it so. You know that's stressful for my lesson. You know can't have a feeling when I only go so the ever move there continue under in Chinga they say the partition in the Cameroon. Kick. That's why you they say that it they in Bangladesh when they match up. Stress. Then they say don't call that body who that body because don't call that social media kind of that cobos because the cobos they opposite this thing. Cut long story short, the relationship it will be us in the beginning. It will be bad. And members of that don't work as of even in that kind 2 years later. I want to see you don't make the chin chips, all that thing and I fire also. But you see the way we minimize my friend, I don't be expecting I learn with that because the way we make them my friend, make them my friend move. Another woman no pass another woman for not even grand. All we will be woman. They say he who cheats with you will cheat on you. Yes. So tell me when some boy don't hook up, don't use some girl in the mess so for that don't do a packet, don't touch. No man, no bad person now man. Any man will reign the kingdom. That now we don't reign no. None are make at the time. Any man will reign. When some boy they with you for life, no chances to tell you not to automoko a cuckoo head tree. Your time go pass. No chances to tell you not to agree. Every dog has his day. Somebody they use get cash cruise to you, and no boy should have 10 get from a hero to a zero. When some girl don't be so should have a motor you have for assassin. Live your life, hey, live your life, oh. Cause another girl says some will kill now, some will bomb on and put them. The boy turned the so only go cut and so drop them the bad habits. Make them matter on something. When some girl don't give you life like Jesus Christ. Say, Papa, use me born, use me enjoy white material without fight for a don't pay. Respect that girl. Most girls they didn't stay with their family, don't bring them over, they don't bring over. Even some man is staying at Onangongo, he has better pass your husband over pain or not. That's the truth. But because of love, they say heart no get bold. We woman look at where you want to fit chop so. Well, you know, the same pamper way somebody pamper you inside relationship that the same effect will be inside marriage. So woman inside relationship with you na internship, you don't say okay, we're married to don't do integration. They usually you say you cash cruise, you feel you dump them, now you that souls and that you dump them. No you say the dump as your Chelsea t-shirt or your Barcelona up. This thing overgets me because I know which woman don't go through. I don't see position where man keep girl belly for us. Come on, bring another girl, tap the one on top bed, say me go for panel, that girl go just because he want to make it begin get accommodation, make it begin get shelter, make it begin to do like say no, at the inside home. I don't see place where girl don't belly boy reject it. Marry another woman. Don't marry that woman, that never hash any egg. You know, prayers of a righteous, no play. They don't come back again for that girl say, I don't know whether I feel the born me picking and then or the fight so small thing adopt you. Because my first say I'm not a baby making machine. But your woman try best. Any house with your own kid too. Any magida with your radio. Any aboki with the small cocoa. There you go. This are not fit. You don't turn Campbell and Vasco da Gama cash don't my corner and say no, for me, there's a lot of saying you are skinny worker. You're skinny worker the right now. I be I don't know. I don't see him. But China. The boy talked there again said, parce qu'il a choisi me a feel be with you. So you see the life. Don't damn the bush of course. I see that to me. I don't see place a boy that is she done, they give their girlfriend money to feed their picking them. The one top the time they say no, I'm a likeness, I'm a body of his father. Yes, Papa. Don't misplace priority. You see any girl with example hash even an egg for you, don't play with that woman. Nobody knows to know. Because two people they don't bring people on the ground, you make another one feel vulnerable. Treat your picking in mommy fine with care. Give her tender loving care. Any girlfriend will not say that you are not going to don't bring one. So they are spend that you know can have messes that you know come. They don't judge, they don't make mess with that on the ground. Tell any girl say they never burn that dog, that my woman this. When I don't deserve me, I will make family. You go come from back. You carry Fanta, Shisha, cheese, Monta, booster, the compare of Pikin. Big guy don't pour you Pikin for the ground. To take the bitter stay the killer. They don't carry some girl they do and they say that come in your mouth and chop them. So family too they just dey because of one crate beer, foul food, gizzard. They don't carry their Pikin and gear for bonus. Because as a family where you mean that boy for enjoy the show. They will make him go marry that cops. I don't see family they marry cops. They get them for child labor, not that even say beating. The family just say, we will not be no so picking them. The boy say, wait, he say, yes. No, no. Papa don't drink me over that boy house. They wash that money, they want to spell it. The boy don't say it in a family club. You go marry them. You buy wedding gown. Pay down, give other than the nimble, the snappy and the cops. They don't have traumatize him of now. You carry my Pikin, you take him for a show free. You give stress. You know someone fit die on top of for that stress. Why would I be behind? Na direct cardiac. With the stress some guy they say has when you belly, you never give family even a 4 cabin biscuit, bitter cola or a gogoro. Then that guy goes sleep so they die, you know, who come. My brother, that day you confirm, message 20 now. They never think now. Yes, if you not say you know want swim, not take that dive. If you not say you know want swim, not take that dive. Tell some girl say big mommy she done double me with a rabbit and condom. If you get unprotected sex, you don't expect flat screen. You know you expect LCD TV, you don't expect DVD, you expect kid. She don't tell the girl say big mommy. In as much as I want boss of kid, I want to be sure of this one. No carry some girl, keep pee, sleep pee, give belly, you start suffering. Now I had home, if you feel you are that's the end of you. So girl they suffer depression inside mommy papa. Baby mama drama, mommy Pikin, papa is this, mama junior mommy junior. You go bring girlfriend for us, give guest room, master bedroom, carry a pick up for veranda. They come here, mommy. Say they call you unexpectedly. You don't turn American, no. Snow before we are compound. Now you get Ramadan mixed with winter, mixed with summer, mixed with monsoon. You don't turn on a black African. Be careful. Now the main thing is say you want to bring me for online after that show. I say that my credit. I'm going to just merge. But I will beg with something. Learn to treat people right. Don't damn the bridge you've crossed. If you not say you do with some girl, you see and say, you need to work out. Even if you don't get emotional attachment, you do that woman treat you right. So when the way you wash your mouth something way, you need to get still. You know, say no need brother try. You deal with human being. You need to deal with baby. You need to deal with chucky. You need carry my Pikin give a little bit die. Carry my Pikin give a little wash clothes and suffer. You will go dream will move 3-5 give me prepare for Pikin. You will go dream will fall for gutter. You come over morning time with old trousers we are girlfriend and don't come go dash DJ 100, 200,000. Come over morning time give money say come mash that Pikin pap. How I be grow? I be grow for Jiniki Jim. I don't talk fine boy. They compare Jiniki in time now. The Jiniki they be the dodge gun. They be the dodge bullets. You carry your wife. When no boy you picking your woman, you take a compare that time. Why she want more cost again why? Not give step place. You treat your picking mommy like trash. I talk about this show say if you not fit endorse your picking mommy, if you not fit make her maybe a better person, you don't fail. Because tomorrow if you die, that girl go TV Joshua John, she go take rice and granite oil. Men of God. My name is Sukisa. I'm from that. They give small granite oil, give 10,000 naira, stamp me can praise. If you know if you make a mayor picking mommy, the strong way financially viable. When certificate of police so bank take charge, you don't pay. If you get us another drum, now that boy the bomb you never drum. That way you go die. That's why besides that other boy family will take a picking, their picking was time one so. The gaja in their eye clearly one time this. No play any girl who has anybody club. Help your picking man. Help your girlfriend you don't bomb for. You really encourage her. But once you go down and say no, you don't come. More killer, go travel River Niger. More do her. love them, protect them, and provide for them. As for now, this is Kobolistic Kobos. I love you all. We'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for your comments. Criticize, don't contradict, don't breed negativity. No gosh. Oh my gosh. Love you. Like that.